Hello everyone, my name is Akhil and welcome to this Salesforce LWC Development course. This course is purely development. Okay, we will write every single custom LWC component from scratch in this course. And it is not just we will use that component, we will also try to break that component. We will find the issues, we will debug it like we work in a real project. Okay, and we will also know what all the softwares you would need before you start into the LWC development, and then we will deep dive in every single LWC feature, whether it's a HTML meta configuration file, JavaScript, LMS, parent and child LWC component, CSS, SLDS, base component, and lots more. Okay, so let's go ahead. And if you think that if you stuck somewhere, okay, during this development, then feel free to message me, or if you got any question, feel free to add in a Q&A section. And also, I have tried my best to cover all the topics related to Salesforce LWC development. If you think there is a topic which is not covered yet, or if it is good to cover in this course, feel free to add a message to me. Okay, I'll try to see when I can add that. That's all I wanted to say. Let's go ahead and all the best.